You are watching Tara's Happy Learning.
Hi, friends. I am Tara. Let's help our little spider friend today. Look.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Climb, climb, climb. Uh-oh. Down came the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Splish, splash. The water washed the spider out. Oh, no.
Don't worry, Spider. I have an idea. Bingo! Let's get the umbrella. Yay! A big, colorful umbrella. Now we are ready. Look! The sun dried up all the rain. Hooray!
And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Go, spider, go!
All the way to the top! You did it! Super job!
Can you crawl your fingers high like the spider? Crawl, crawl, crawl! Yay! Dancing in the sunshine, jump and hop, hop, hop. You were amazing. Keep climbing high every day. See you soon. Bye-bye.